Hey, what's going on? My name is Toryn Green, and almost 3 years ago I had the Brightocular procedure. I had these ice gray implants with the black Starburst put into my eyes. They were a Generation 2 implant, and Brightocular's been busy. They've come out with a really cool Generation 3 implant, and I'm back here in India to get the G3s today. Two days ago, I actually swapped out my ice gray 2G implants for the new frost gray 3Gs, and I'm loving the result. It's been an amazing experience so far here in India. Dr. Dorwal, really friendly person, really good as far as never taking any chances with patients, always making sure that their safety and their comfort is his #1 priority. So it's been awesome. I mean, we've had a chance to go all around to different places. We went to Taj Mahal, we went to some other places. I think we went to the Pink City, and just amazing stuff. Saw elephants, monkeys. So this whole experience has been kind of a nice travel experience as well. The reason I decided to come back to India was because over the past 3 years I've had nothing but success, and the implants were great, and I saw that Brightocular came out with a more realistic version of the implant that actually had a lot of nice lines on the outer portion, and I was always kind of wanting to go more for bright vibrance and color, but a more realistic pattern. So even if you were looking really close, it would look indistinguishable from a real eye. So that's why I decided to come back to India and make another adventure, and it's been awesome. Anyone who's looking to get out of the country, do something fun, I recommend coming out here to India, changing your life, changing the way the world sees you, as well as the way you see the world, because a lot of people that actually come out here get their LASIK done even in the same week. So you can really make a change as far as your overall life experience, as far as your eyes have been, maybe even since birth. So it's a really cool thing. I highly recommend it. So once again, I'd like to thank Brightocular for allowing me to reinvent myself yet once again. If any of you guys out there have any questions or concerns about the procedure, what it's like to have had the procedure done from someone who's had it, the real truth, dispelling the myths, all that kind of stuff, feel free to reach out to me on social media. I'm on Instagram @Toryn, and on Facebook, Toryn Green. See ya.